Hello, my name is Josh and I'm with X-Edge Products, and we're here at the Multicam Great Lakes office. And one of the things I want to show you is our tool holder change-in station. So what this is designed to do is to make changing out tools a lot easier than using two different wrenches. It also allows you to set the correct torque specs on here. So if you look on our torque wrench, it actually has the collet size, which this would be 1/16 to 5/16. And for larger tools, you turn the knob and now it allows you to do the 3/8 to 1 inch. So basically you just take the ER40 wrench, you set it onto the nut of the tool holder, and then you just push. And then when it gets to the correct torque, the wrench will actually make a click sound. And then you're all set, ready to go. If you're looking to purchase one of these, you can go to wensco.com and they'll have it available for you.